The best love letter ever. To the dearest one in my life. You might be surprised when you hear me say this, but I must say it. You might become angry, give no reaction, or laugh at me, but I must be true to myself. I must say this to you. I am going to tell my true feelings about you. It is not necessary that you must think about the way I think. You are free to think about whatever pleases you. It is not that I will become happy if you think the way I think, and I will be depressed if you don't think like that. I would be happier if you are true to yourself. Your true feelings towards that will not affect our relationship a bit. In fact, it will strengthen our relationship after knowing the feeling of each other. You can choose anything your heart decides. Please don't care about other things, such as society, family or other people while you think. Become true to yourself and answer to yourself. Motion is very amazing. It keeps on wandering. Sometimes, it gets attached to one thing and ceases wandering. We are unaware of anything, but the heart is after something. We don't know where the heart is wandering, but at last find that it desperately wants something. I must tell these feelings to you. It was you, listening to the word, at the most distressing situation in my life, I was able to forget my pains. It was you, seeing which in my difficult times, made me conclude, one day, there will be U-turn towards happiness in my life. It was you, which helped me express different words, in the most distressing situation in my life. And it is you, which helps to express many words of happiness today. There was you in the journey of life, from the most painful situation to this situation. Please pardon me, if you don't like the thing I am going to tell. But I must express these feelings. I must be true to myself. I love you. I love you so much. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I love you so much with all of my heart, soul, and body. I love you so very much, honey. I love you, my sweetheart. I love you so very much. These are my true feelings towards you. If you don't feel the same, there is no problem. If every person thought the same, the world would be too boring. If you are angry with me, or surprised, please don't be. There is no necessity that you should think the same way. But if you think the same way, it would be my pleasure. Please let me know. If you don't think the same way, then also, please let me know. I am perfectly comfortable if you do or don't feel the same way. Hey, don't get excited. Along with you, I love E, W, X, Y, and all the alphabets. Anyway, you are too cute, and I love cute things.